The world's first automatic tray setting machine is now operating in the kitchens of CPCS.
呢部機擺帶機未出現之前咧，我哋所有嘅餐盤咧都係用人手組合嘅方式咧係完成嘅。5個同事就會負責翻佢哋各自各要擺嘅物件啦。咁最後尾嗰個同事咧就係我哋嘅 bell leader， 即係個組長嚟嘅。咁睇過嗰個餐盤係符合航空公司嘅要求嘅話咧，就會插入餐櫃。咁插滿一架餐車之後咧，就會成個餐櫃就交到去樓下我哋嘅運輸組咁樣㗎。
We have to uplift around 1,200 economy class meal carts to the ramp, and we target, and this machine, the maximum speed can do 25 meal cart an hour. So we target to do, for this machine to do 400, roughly 1/3 of the daily requirement for us.
The machine comprises 10 workstations along a conveyor belt that measures 23 meters. At the first workstation, empty meal trays are stacked up and fed into the machine. The second workstation takes care of cutlery. A camera sensor on this arm scans the cutlery packet to make sure it's facing the right way. And if not, the arm swoops in to correct it. Salad bowls, cups and main plates are placed in a similar manner. A vibrating metal plate ensures that cups are not lying on their sides when entering the system. The machine automatically sorts out any outliers, such as cups that are stacked up. At the manual station, which is also a final checkpoint, items such as fruit salad are handled manually to ensure quality. A laser beam ensures that the positioning of the trays is just right before they are slid into the dinner cart.
Our staff have been doing this job for 10, 20 years. They are very, very fast. Some fast ones can finish a meal cart in just 2 minutes. The whole concept on paper to machine running take more than 2 years. The biggest challenge was all the boss, all the management, all the colleagues who only see the 3D drawing, from the guy who draw all the 3D, from the guy who assemble it, from the guy who write the PLC, from the guy who die cut all the spare parts. They're all local Hong Kong technicians and engineers. Some of the management, they went there to the workshop in Shardin. They feel unbelievable. They felt, oh, how come everything you said in the past 2 years, we kind of sounds like hot air. But now something is really running and moving. They're all very excited. We are already studying the use of some power hand truck. If we can slot in a tray inside a meal cart now, in future we can develop machines to pack drawers that handle the business class trays.